Buddy the Spider-Man dog. Buddy was an ordinary dog during the day, a playful golden retriever who loved chasing balls, wagging his tail, and enjoying belly rubs. But what no one knew was that Buddy had a secret. When the moon rose and the stars twinkled, Buddy transformed into something extraordinary. Buddy the Spider-Man dog, a brave, web-swinging hero who protected the city when the world was asleep. One night, as Buddy lay on his comfy bed, a soft breeze blew through the open window. His ears perked up. He sensed something wasn't right. Suddenly, he saw it. A kitten was stranded on top of a tall, wobbly building across the street. The poor little kitten was meowing for help, and Buddy knew this was a job for his nighttime alter ego. With a quick shake of his fur, Buddy leapt into action. His golden fur shimmered as he donned his secret Spider-Man suit, a special collar that gave him the power to swing from webs. Without wasting a second, Buddy shot a web from his paws and swung across the city, soaring from one rooftop to another under the moonlit sky. When Buddy arrived at the scene, the kitten was clinging to the edge of the building, trembling in fear. Buddy, with his superhero instincts, gently landed beside the kitten and wrapped a soft web around her. "Don't worry, little one. You're safe now," he barked reassuringly. With a strong tug, Buddy used his web to lower the kitten safely to the ground. The kitten purred gratefully, nuzzling up to Buddy. "You're my hero," she meowed. Buddy gave a proud woof and, with a swift swing, disappeared into the night before anyone could see him. He returned home just in time to curl up in his dog bed, looking like the ordinary, sleepy dog his owners always knew him to be. As he drifted off to sleep, Buddy thought, even a dog can be a hero when the world needs it most. And with that, the Spider-Man dog closed his eyes, ready for more nighttime rescues to come. What do you think Buddy will rescue next? Share your thoughts in the comments. The end. Don't forget to like and subscribe.